Hey, he
May I
got.
kill Joe Biden? May I kill Joe Biden's boat?
What?
May I kill Joe Biden's boat?
Don't try to stab me, bro.
I'm
Don't.
not. I'm trying to kill Joe Biden's boat.
What?
Joe
What are you
Biden's
talking
boat.
about, bro?
Joe Biden's boat.
Bro, there's no Joe
Hey,
Biden.
that's another Joe Biden's
It's
boat.
because it's a bird.
That's two
No,
Joe Biden's
no, there's
boats.
one over. There's one over here.
Oh, I think that's
here.
Joe Biden's turkey.
Am I?
So.
What if it flew out? It's like for real though.
Yeah. Fuck me, daddy.
Bro,
Hey, get something to throw at it. That ain't hot, but I was killing it.
bro, like what? Bro, what is that?
Oh, the world's one flashlight.
The world's. You got a flashlight?
Yes! Yes! Shoot!
Shine it at him. Bro, we need to do this at nighttime, bro. We're
Say!
gonna be recording at nighttime, and we're gonna see if that bird's still there. Subscribe for part 2 if y'all want to see if that bird's still there at nighttime.